Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. In this video I'll be taking a look at some secret codes for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. These codes are very useful. If you've ordered your S9 from some type of dodgy website and you're not sure that it's 100% genuine, try these codes. If they work, your phone's definitely a Galaxy S9. It's definitely the real deal. Because there's a lot of cloned phones going around nowadays, and you don't want to be buying a fake phone. You know what I mean? So try these codes. If they work, you do have a genuine S9. So yeah, we're just going to take a look at these codes. And the first code we're going to take a look at, it will test the hardware functions. So this is recommended if you've just got the phone and you've took it out of the box to try it to make sure that all the functions are working. So you can test for any problems. So we're just going to type in the code. So type in *#0* *##. And here you can test a lot of different things. So you can test red. So here you can test for any dead pixels and stuff. Just look on the screen. And you can test for any dead pixels. Try green. Just have a little look around, see if you can see any dead pixels on the screen. Check the edges. Okay, so my screen's fine. You can test the receiver. That's working perfectly well. You can test the vibration. It's vibrating, so that's working. Mega cam. Okay, so the rear camera's working. Test the sensor. Everything's working fine there. Test the touch display. So as you can see, the touch screen's working fine. It responds to every touch, as you can see there. Okay, what's next? The speaker. Speaker's working fine. Okay, so let's test the next thing, sub key. Not quite sure what that was. Test the front facing camera. Hello. Front facing camera's working okay. Test the grip sensor. So let's just hold the device and grip it. And it's working. Test the LEDs. Wait a minute, let's go back there. So the LED's working. It's red, green, blue. Barcode emulator test. I'm not gonna test that. In fact, let's just give it a try. Well, it seems to be working. Okay, sensor hub test. And it's passed. So that's working. And the black screen there is working. Not really sure what that one is. MST test. Okay, so that seems to be working. I can hear some type of sound coming out of it. MLC. Reference red. Not sure what that one is. And the iris camera test. Oh yeah, that's working. Okay, so we're going to take a look at another code. So let's just come out of here. Okay, so the next code we're going to take at, this code shows the status information of your GSM network and registration status and GSM band. So let's just type in the code. So *#001# *#001#. Okay, this one's not working for some reason. Okay, so let's just move on to the other code. This code can be used to check the battery level, the voltage, and the temperature. So *#0228#. And here, like it says, you can test the battery level, the voltage, and the temperature. So all the information's there. Okay, let's not trouble that. Okay, so the next code, this code will show more advanced information about your camera's firmware. So *#349715339#. And here you can check your camera's firmware version. So you get all the information there about your camera. And also, if there's any updates for the camera, you can update from here as well. You should see an option to update the firmware. Okay, the next code can be used to tweak the USB settings. So let's just take a look at the next code. So it's *#08#. Oh, wait a minute. *#0808#. And from here you can tweak the USB settings. If you don't really know what you're doing, I wouldn't advise messing about with these settings. So just remember that, yeah? Okay, and the last code, this code is used to enter the system dump mode, which can be used to enable fast dormancy to boost your network speed. So *#9900#. And here, like I says, you can enter the system dump mode and you can enable the fast dormancy to boost your network speed. If you don't know what you're doing, Don't touch it. Leave it alone. So yeah guys, this was just my video showing you all some secret hidden codes for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments in the comment section down below. I highly recommend trying out these codes just to make sure that you do have a genuine S9 Plus if you bought it from some random website or if you purchased it from somebody on the street. Just make sure you try these codes, and if they work, I'm pretty sure you've got the real S9 Plus. Yeah. Anyway, I'm out. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. Deuces.